Tomorrow you begin. Not someday, not when life is quieter, not when you feel more ready. Tomorrow. And if you feel a little calm, a little excited, and a little nervous, good. That's exactly what the Edge of Challenge feels like. We are in the last video of the series, video 20 of the pre-fast series, where we spend 10 minutes a day learning a strategy, one strategy, to prepare for our 3-week fast. And here what matters most today. You don't need to prepare anymore. You need to settle. Up until now, you've been learning, planning, and organizing. But today is different. Today isn't about doing more. It's about making tomorrow feel easy. Think of it like the night before a trip. You don't start new projects, you simply put everything in place. Same energy here. Today is not the day to watch more fasting videos, compare methods, Google every symptom, or second-guess your plan. Information today won't bring clarity. It will bring anxiety. Think of it as like learning the day before the exam. It's the same thing. You won't learn anything new. You already did the work. Now trust it. Now, fasting isn't about discipline. It's about the environment. So instead of being strong, make your space supportive. Simple things like clean the kitchen, clear your counters, put food away, and prepare what you will need tomorrow. Remember, calm space is a calm mind. It really is that simple. Now, if you're fasting after the Breuss fasting method, tonight is about reducing effort tomorrow. Not perfection, ease. So, you will cook your teas in the evening, prepare your vegetables, make your juice ahead of time. Because tomorrow morning you don't want tasks. You want quiet. You just want to sit at the table and sip your juice. Now, the more you do tonight, the less thinking you will do tomorrow. And the less thinking is exactly what you will want. Now, let's talk about today's meals. Don't do a last supper. That backfires every time. Instead, keep it light and clean. Something like a light breakfast, salad for lunch, and no dinner. Nothing extreme. You are not cramming food in. You are slowly letting go. And that makes tomorrow feel natural instead of shocking. Now, here's something people underestimate. From tomorrow on, boredom is your new best friend, and you need to keep it busy. So tonight, prepare for that. Make a list of walks, cleaning, stretching, reading, journaling, and simple tasks. Not exciting things, but boring things. Because a fast isn't a test of pain or how motivated you can be. It's a test of idle time. Plan the idle time and you will win. Now, if you're going to work while fasting, make it easy and as seamless as possible. Prepare containers for teas and bottles of juice if you will be fasting after the Breuss fasting method, because everything needs to be ready to grab. There should be no scrambling in the morning and no last-minute stress. Also, small details that make a big difference are clothes. Wear clothes that aren't tight around your waist. Loose, comfortable clothing. Your body will thank you. I'm always opening my button in the first few days of fasting because everything seems to be too tight. And there's another thing to keep in mind. Tonight, your brain might get loud. It will have monologues, a lot of them. Are you sure? Maybe next week. What if this is hard? Now, that voice shows up before every meaningful challenge. It doesn't mean you stop or negotiate. It means you're stepping into something new. Let it talk, but keep moving. And one last reminder. Don't expect tomorrow to be magical or terrible. Expect normal. Day one is usually quiet. The drama lives in our imagination. Treat it like just another day, only with no food. And it becomes surprisingly simple. Think about it. A few weeks ago, this probably felt impossible. But now you're ready, prepared, you're clear, and you're grounded. That didn't happen by accident. You built this. Trust that person. They know what they're doing. And tomorrow is not a test. It's not a punishment. It's not suffering. It's simply a pause, a rest, a quiet step back. And you are more ready than you think. Start gently. Let it be easy. Let the fast meet you halfway. But before you close this video, here's what I want you to do tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. Keep it simple. Action step number 1. Prepare everything you will need so tomorrow requires 0 decisions. If you're following the Breuss fasting method, cook your teas, prepare your vegetable juice, set out your bottles and containers, pack anything you are taking to work. Lay it out where you can see it. When you wake up, it should feel automatic. No thinking, just starting. And then we have action step number 2, remove friction. Walk through your home and make fasting easier. Clear tempting foods from counters, clean the kitchen, choose comfortable clothes, write your list of boring tasks or walks, or check tomorrow's schedule. Remember, you are not relying on willpower. You're designing your environment, and that's how fasts succeed. So this is the final video of the pre-fast series. Download the free pre-fast workbook where you'll find the action steps for all of the videos in the series along with a checklist and reflection. But if you lasted this far, I have a special surprise for you. I am making a bonus video, day 1 of your fast. If you are set on fasting, this one might make the first day feel a little easier. So from tomorrow on, you are not preparing. You are doing, and I'll be right there with you.